I'm here to show you how to make a paper jet. Rectangular piece of paper will do just fine. Take and fold it in half the hamburger way, or the squattier way, and then fold it in half again so you know where your middle point is. Just like that. Now, leaving it folded in half, you're going to bring this edge, or excuse me, the middle point down here and this edge, you're going to have to make a diagonal, and so what's going to happen is you're not like folding it this way, you are going to go past that intersection, so you kind of have to guide the point up, line up that point, and then make sure your paper's coming down to that middle edge, and then you can crease it. So you need that kind of a diagonal. See how it goes past that middle point? We're not using the middle point other than down here. So it'll be just like that. So you're matching the middle of your paper and the outside point, so it's at a diagonal. Same thing with here. So see, once again, this goes out past that. So you have your two diagonals coming to that middle line that you had there. Now holding this down, what you're going to do is reach inside the pocket and puff it out a little bit, guide it down at the bottom, and then you're going to flatten it down so this outside crease will line up with that inside fold edge that you have. So just like this. And the same thing with the other one. Close it back down. Make sure your creases are strong. Doesn't make any difference left or right. Take the top flap and bring it up to the edge and fold it up just like that. Tuck this in, crease, and roll it open like that. Make sure everything is lying down flat. Turn it over. Bring this down to that edge, kind of like folding it in half and bringing it down again. And the same thing with the other one. Now, what you're going to do is fold this up inside like this, and then you're going to take one side at a time and fold it down enough to give you a good body for your jet, depending on your paper, usually about a good inch, like this, and turn it over. And all you have to do is match the wing on the other side, just like that. So this is the underbelly, and what you're going to do is jazz it up here, give it some real fighting wings here, crease it like that, same thing on the other side, and bring one of them back down so it's like flat edge, and the same thing with the other, leave the one up and bring this one down and crease it, and there's your fighter jet. Thanks, hope you had a great time.